I just have to practice a little bit of what I read in school, and this is it right here. It's not easy doing this thing. It's not easy at all because it's time demanding. You have to always be there.
Please subscribe and turn on notification bell.
Hi people, my name is Sonia, Uche, and this is my little farm. Yes, my little farm that I believe with time will grow into a big farm by God's grace. And okay, aside acting, I read agricultural economics in school, and I know a little thing, like I practice a little about agriculture, and this is one of them. So basically it's just I love doing it, aside the fact that I love acting, everything. But I just have to practice a little bit of what I read in school, and this is it right here. It's not easy doing this thing. It's not easy at all because it's time demanding. You have to always be there, especially when they are very little. Like, okay, the time, like if I bring them when they are a day old, you have to check on them like every second, every minute to make sure they are okay, because at that point they are still very fragile. They can easily fall into water, and before you know it they will just die off. But it's fun doing it, being as much as, though I'm not always there. My dad's helping me take care of it, so most times just to my dad and my cousin, they actually help me look after it. So I just have to okay, this is what you will do, or what exactly is the issue. Maybe when they are sick, I have to look at their poo. What color is it? Is there a reddish substance in the poo, or is it greenish in color? Because some of them, when they bring them in, like after some weeks, you have to vaccinate against we have Newcastle disease, have Gumboro disease, so try to vaccinate against those diseases. But because if you check, you notice that I was like most they are separated. They will be very the ones that are very small, most of them, they didn't take the Gumboro vaccine, so that's what is affecting them right now. And sometimes you might not be lucky, especially you get to might just get runt. Yes, runt. Those are they are very smallish. No matter how long you feed them or anything, they don't just grow as big as the other ones. And sometimes you might just be lucky and you get the very good ones. But so far so good. Nice and cool to do, and I love it. I just come around and see them eating, moving around, and I'm always happy. Fishes works. So maybe with time we'll get to introduce you to some other ones like the fish, and then a little bit of crops with time, and now with a little capital. So that's just it for now. So I'll see you guys, and then I'll tell you more about my beds. Bye.